Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue honey sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, half a cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Also, grab 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon of onion powder for that perfect flavor. A small pinch of cayenne pepper is optional for a little heat. Now let's combine everything. Pour the ketchup, honey, and apple cider vinegar into a medium saucepan. Next, add the Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Whisk all these ingredients together until they are completely smooth and well combined. Make sure there are no dry clumps, ensuring a consistent base for your delicious sauce. It's time to cook our sauce. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Once it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld beautifully and helps the sauce thicken to that perfect, luscious consistency you desire. Your homemade barbecue honey sauce is almost ready. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the sauce to cool completely. Once cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store this delicious sauce in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for glazing ribs, chicken, or as a dipping sauce for almost anything. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.